Hello and welcome back to Mondo 8-bit. In this video I'm back to the first donation to the channel, and this time I'll take care of this poor 64. I'll crack open it, and after a quick check the 64 works, but the seed is gone, so it had to be replaced. I'll put an X seed. It's almost a clone of the swing seed, maybe a little cheaper. It works. It's not as good as the ARM seed though. After this I clean the case, removed and clean all the keys, and repair the keyboard with a new Commodore key from a spare keyboard. With the new seed, the C64 will work, right? So I open it again and check the board, looking for any bad soldering, redoing some of them just to be sure. After some hours with the test, it's time to do the hard work of testing the 64 with some games. It can work a whole day, but the next one, look at this, it thanks, and this time the dead test tell me something. There is a very useful site online. It's called the Pictorial C64 Fault Guide. It covers a lot of common faults, from VIC-2 and the CIAs, PLA and the CPU, ROM and RAM. I'll put the link in the description below. And looking under the RAM section, I find this interesting part. I decided to go with the U22 RAM. Chip is removed without any damage to the board. It was indeed bad. Now I can solder new socket for the new RAM chip. The 64 seems rock solid now, so it's time to test again playing with it. It's fully working now. There is only an odd thing left. This odd thing with the SD file browser. Look at the test color. The problem shows up only with this program. I used games, demos, all the tests and the programs and everything is okay. If you have any hint, please let me know.